So, welcome to James Mete Smart Farm. I want to talk about how much money do a farmer or do you require to start dairy farming? How much money, which is the capital that you require to start dairy farming? My advice to farmers or to those upcoming farmers is you should always start with what you have and where you are, because most of the time there is no specific amount of money you can start with. So it is not a must that you start with a cow worth 200,000. You can start with a calf which is below 100,000, and you make or you develop your own farm by giving that calf the requirement or giving that heifer the requirements that is required as a farmer or as an upcoming farmer. You give it what it should be given, and you will be singing that song that says, I started with one cow and now I have 100 cows. So you should not worry about the capital. You should not worry about the amount of money that you should need or which is required as a farmer or as a new farmer to start dairy farming. What you have, you can start with it. Buy a calf. If you buy a calf, and those people who start with these calves or heifers, they grow. They grow very quickly because they are determined and they run slowly by slowly. So by the time this heifer starts breeding, then the farmer has enough experience. So there is no specific amount of money that is required to start dairy farming. Start with what you have and start where you are, and you will say one day that I started with one cow, now I have 100 cows. Be my guest and thank me later.